channel zemi. Hi guys. All right. Who's the hero? You?
Okay.
Yo, who's the human? Jeez. Let's have a talk. You're hero? Or not the top class? You're top class. All right. Hi man.
Hi.
Nice to meet you. I'm George.
Hi,
How you feeling?
Fine.
How fast finding you? Respond. Your armchair. Your hero. Sit down. Sit down.
Oh, I can sit.
Oh God, almost forget us. So, where to start? Come at night, the night show. George Mokry. Priatelia, nachádzame sa v útrobách, kde odpočívajú tieto hviezdy. Let me the question. The friends. How many? All right. I'm beginner. All right. I'm kind of nervous. Well, what can I say? You're top class. How do you feel, man?
Nice.
Dobre.
How was your trip? Flying and have you been escorted Slovakia?
Áno,
yes,
bolo
it
to
was
fakt
really
milé,
nice.
veľmi milé.
Prosím vás, mikrofonami trošku ďalej. When I ask you, how do you feel being here?
Absolútne
cool.
perfektné.
Yeah, you feel with the girls? Nice, big booms, big tits, all this mean. Yeah, that's funny.
Ask him.
Spýtajte sa jeho.
You got your big boobs, all right. Your clips are somehow daring. Even Bin Laden appeared on them. Do you have a censorship?
Censorship?
Cenzúru?
Yeah.
No,
Nie.
not really.
Your clips are heavy. It's very strong. You're
Yeah,
smart.
sometimes.
You're clever.
To sú.
Anything else?
Yeah.
What else? What you say?
I don't know.
Neviem.
I don't know, Michek. You gonna stay big. You are artist with big A, big N, like Diamond. How you feel?
Did you understand?
Si tomu rozumel?
You are artist like Diamond. You're a great pop star.
You think so?
Myslíte?
It's a compliment for you.
Oh, I see.
Aha.
Oh man. Mohol by si mi dať, can you autogram pre moju starku? Tuto. Mojej starke. Well, Mr. Eminem. Right. Oh God, what's a scooter?
Yes.
Máš motorku MZ? Alright, I wish you good luck.
Veselé Vianoce.
Jo, Chrisman, budeme sa lyžovať. Thank you. A táto kvetina je pre teba. Priatelia, to je Eminem, ktorý nás prišiel pozdraviť. Check it out, man. Alright, thank you. Orava. Can I have some coffee? Can I bring me?
Ask the big one.
Oh, alright. Oh, coffee. From the heart, nature. You play music, nature from the heart? What you play now?
Myslel som, že rozhovor sa už skončil.
Do you play on the guitar?
Vy neviete, aký je rozdiel medzi rozhovorom a pitím kávy? Toto je asi súčasť pitia kávy.
That was joke. It's funny. All right. Dole. All right. Tak ja odchádzam. Skutočne je to nádherná chvíľa. Lúčim sa s vami a o týždeň opäť. Dovidenia.